The tube, well, it skids to me, but they're a bearing slider, something like that came in. It looks like they're two different materials. I don't have the durometer yet, but I ordered a D-style durometer so I can somewhat easily test the plastics. I'm going to go ahead and replace with these for now, but I did find a Master's car that you can get Delrin, PTFE, and I'm thinking I'd go with ultra-high molecular weight, PE, UH, PE, and just make those, because you can get the material for like $1, for like a foot's worth, but I don't know, I already ordered those. I'm actually debating about returning them because I found you can get them for like $5.95, and these ones were like $8.95, but I have them here, so I might just go ahead and install them. But yeah, so I have this taken apart. It's real simple. Two bolts under the door, and then two sheet metal, actually they're sheet metal screws, excuse me. This panel, and this just slides off, and yep, of course, there's nothing and nothing. So this one's there, so one's present, that one's all gone, so those are pretty much wore away, so I'm glad I got in here. It's plastic, I think's okay still. I'm not going to go ahead and replace it. I don't even think I need to go in and plastic weld or a 3D printer pen, or, you know, make an extra part. So I'm going to leave this as is, replace those skids, and call it good. See how it works after that. So, not the best light down here, but man, this LG G4 is pretty handy. It's pulled, well, looks like there's some nasty stuff on the outside. I was wondering about the fan, but that actually looks decent. So, I cleaned that. That blew out well, but yeah, I'll clean a little bit of this out, and gasket. So, gasket looks okay. Don't really notice anything. Alright. Well, the one was in pretty decent condition, so I left it. I probably should have replaced it while I was in there, but actually it looked like it was a little thicker than this material, so I'm like, I'll leave it. But seems quieter. There's a little creak in there still. I'll see what it's like when I get a load on it, because it'll be not cool if it's loud, but you know, it's what it is. So I probably should replace that plastic whole plastic assembly that holds those. Anyways, these videos are pretty large in size, so I'm going to make this quick. And anyways, we'll see what happens long term. I'll get a load in there, and it's definitely quieter though, at least for now. So take care, be safe, and stay healthy.